Hey everyone, my name is John.
And I'm Nicole.
And welcome to our first DIY video.
Today we're going to show you how to resurface your bifold doors to look like barn doors.
Yep, we said it. Those classic bifold doors that just about everyone has in their home. We're going to show you how inexpensive it is to resurface them to make them look like beautiful barn doors.
There's a few different ways to do this. We found that the easiest way was what you're going to see today. If you're interested in a few of the other ways, feel free to reach out. We'll let you know how to get those done.
Alrighty, hope you guys enjoyed the video.
Let's get to work.
Alright, so now we're moving on to the part where we're going to add the diagonal pieces going across to give it that real nice barn door look. One thing to pay attention to is to make sure you know which door is which way they're opening up so that the angles are correctly done. So as you see, this piece right here is the roller, and this is the one that's stationary. So this door is going to be on the right side, opening up that way. So the X is going to meet right here. So we're going to do one this way and one that way. We're going to have it touching this part. So on this side of it, it's going to be touching right there. And then we're going to have it touching the top part. Line that up. Alrighty, so we got the two cuts here. Let's make sure it fits before we go any further. Everything looks alright. That lines up perfect. So let's get the speed square again here. Thank you for watching Project 33's first
DIY video.
Woohoo! More to come.
Good night, Chandler Bang.
And